A government agency under Singapore's Ministry of Trade and Industry, JTC is paving the way forward for Singapore's industrial landscape by championing clean, green and smart estates. It is developing infrastructure, systems and initiatives that bridge cutting-edge technology and human skill to fuel growth.
JTC has been exploring smart solutions for predictive maintenance to anticipate failure point in the lift components to prevent lift breakdowns. Since there was not many of such solutions available in the market, JTC took the initiative to approach partners like TÜV SÜD for the remote monitoring and diagnostic development.
TÜV SÜD, with 80 years of experience in lift inspection and certification, pioneered the Lift Manager solution in Singapore along with JTC.
TÜV SÜD Lift Manager is an independent predictive maintenance and condition monitoring service that leverages on IoT know-how and TÜV SÜD's domain expertise to support your lift operations. The Lift Manager generates analysis, suggests possible causes of breakdowns, and recommends easy-to-implement solutions. A pilot project was implemented as a test bed for the predictive maintenance solution across 117 lifts at One North. The test beds serve as a safe place to refine the solution and mitigate challenges such as costs and suitable testing environment faced by innovators.
Using data collected over 80 years during lift inspection and certification, the Lift Manager detects patterns and failure points and increases the availability of the lifts in JTC properties with 85% accuracy. Once the lift's data is sent to a single platform, technicians can review analysis of anomalies, interpret defects, and recommend actions to be taken based on remaining time to downtime, RTD.
This greatly reduces the need for routine manual lift inspection and maintenance, thereby reducing the labor and maintenance costs in the long run. The predictive maintenance service can be used with lifts of any age, brand and model, including existing lifts in service.
The outcomes were higher accuracy in predicting lift breakdowns, decreased troubleshooting time, shorter lift routines inspection processes, and less lift failures. The partnership between JTC and TÜV SÜD helps to validate and achieve a high level of accuracy for predictive maintenance in an operational environment.
The benefits of improved lift management spread far and wide to a range of stakeholders. With increased transparency and control, building owners can achieve better visibility on operations and maintenance costs. Lift maintenance companies can also benefit from an increase in their productivity, while tenants and lift users can experience increased safety and lesser lift breakdowns.
TÜV SÜD's lift domain's expertise helps to streamline and enhance the lift management process and experience, while JTC provides key operational insights to refine analytical outcomes. Together, this partnership will result in a management system that constantly achieves a high degree of operational relevance. TÜV SÜD Lift Manager has since been successfully implemented in other commercial estates.
This industry-ready solution provides enhanced services that can enrich customer experiences and catalyze the transformation of the lifts and facilities management industry.